Pallavi mentioned is that you just have to do your breathing, you have to drink your water, you have to eat your vegetables, and everything's going to be fine. And that sounded too simple to be true.
Came down to 71 in the second week itself. Then I thought, shit is real.
If I can see the results from my own eyes, I don't need more evidence. Hi, this is Nitish Shirohi.
My name is Ridhima.
I'm Kunal Sharma.
I'm Manu. I'm 31 years old.
My age is 38.
I have been a UPSC aspirant for around 6 years.
I am a 31-year-old working professional from Bombay.
I was a cricketer. I have played for Maharashtra.
Presently, I am a law professional.
And before I joined Caliber Eat, I could eat anything on the table.
My father used to say, Beta, at 30, you are at the peak of your health. And I felt totally the reverse.
I'm not really binge eating, I'm not really drinking out, and I really do portion control, and I'm running so much, I'm sleeping right, and why isn't it working out for me?
I had good abs when I was in college, so I wanted to get them back.
I was a new parent and I didn't want to be that dad who could not run around with my daughter and play with her once she grew up.
I wanted to be rid of the back pains, the headaches, and the lethargy which I used to experience. I wanted to feel energetic. I wanted to feel younger.
I usually don't surrender, but I surrendered, and I started to think to myself, am I going to be fat forever?
From 78, it had already come down to, I think, 74.9, just 1 week into the program.
I lost a few kilos and a couple of inches over the first 4 weeks of the program.
The old clothes are fitting me as good as ever.
Checked my weight yesterday, it was 63.4. So without exercise, I've got the upper 4 abs.
I have been able to drop a lot of kilos without exercise, which has never happened to me before.
Though I was eating healthy, but I wasn't eating correct.
During the COVID lockdown, I was able to exercise a lot and do portion control, but that still didn't help me with the weight loss.
It is not a diet program.
There is no pressure that you're on a program because you have the liberty to eat whatever you want to and how much ever you can.
One doesn't have to be hungry in order to lose weight.
Just changed the way I looked at food, the way I ate food.
Your mind will start talking about the foods it wants.
It makes you your own master.
I was able to understand what I'm eating and how the food feels in my body.
If you're fulfilling your nutritional hunger, that's more than enough.
It's basically taking you back to basics. And when you're doing your basics right, I think you've got everything going right in the longer term.
Caliber Eat gave me the liberty to eat whatever I wanted to.
I didn't take any supplements. No supplements.
It's a lot of commitment, but if celebs can do it, why can't we? So a year before I got onto this program, I was diagnosed with borderline PCOS. I was told that if I do not lose weight, this could actually go catapult into something else altogether. I hope that the situation that I was in with regards to the PCOS is reversed by now, because I have lost more than 20% of my weight so far.
I also had an issue, irritable bowel syndrome. So I had tried all the medications. I started with allopathy, then I went to homeopathy, and then Ayurveda, and then yoga, some kind of breathing techniques and everything, and nothing worked. But I think Caliber Eat program worked. It did not trigger at all in the last 1.5 months. Otherwise, it used to trigger every week.
I saw instant results in my mother. She is a patient of multiple sclerosis. Not only ultimately did we manage to stop the drugs, but she recovered her health to a great extent.
So the reason I enrolled with Pallavi is because she spoke about all these miraculous stories about people turning around their health, diabetics becoming non-diabetics, and then thyroid diseases turning into normal health and all of that. And I thought maybe why don't I give this a try, because in the end, I mean, it's always about experimenting, and it's just that this experiment seems very sustainable.
One of the things I noticed after starting off on Caliber Eat was the energy levels that I had.
My energy levels are insane from the time I wake up till the time I sleep.
To the point that sometimes when I'm walking, I feel like running.
I could wake up in the morning and go to sleep directly at night, whereas earlier that was not the case.
Walk 20,000 steps a day and still my energy is constant.
My back pain, knee pain, headaches, all those have disappeared.
My hair is not falling anymore.
The happiness quotient has increased and the emotional quotient was great before, but now it's awesome.
My skin's better, much better. I don't have open pores anymore, I think.
Some sort of a mental transformation which this program offers. I'm able to recall things, remember them, organize my thoughts better.
Since the last 2 or 3 weeks, my sleep has been awesome.
I have been not able to believe myself that there are actual changes in my body. This breakthrough has made me break through into all aspects of my life.
I used to ask her a lot of questions, and I'm thankful to her that she had the patience to listen to me and address them.
One of the good things about Pallavi is that she is able to really give good examples and relate it with your life, which makes you want to do it and understand why you're doing it, and really makes it effortless to do it as well.
You know, unless you don't have somebody to handhold you, to track what you're doing, to question what you're doing and answer your questions, I don't think it's easy to stick to a program. And I think Pallavi's been very, very supportive. She's actually spent time, almost half an hour, listening to one person, although we do group discussions, but she actually makes sure to go to the depth of every situation or concern and address it to the T, so that everybody who's talking to her at the same time benefits from it.
You don't have to recommend a program. When people see the change in you, the changes in your skin and your body structure and everything, they generally ask, "Kya kar raha hai tu yaar?"
As a foodie, I know how difficult it is to count calories and do portion control, and hence this is a program for all those people who don't want to worry about it and still want to achieve very good results over a period of time.
I would recommend this program to people of all ages. If one takes care of diet and nutrition right now, the future is secured.
If you are somebody who does not have time to, think about yourself or think about what you need to eat and are mindlessly eating things that are not good for your body, I think this is it. You are going to be able to actually analyze what to eat and what not.
And I think anybody can do it, and anybody can follow it and achieve their dream.
It is true. I have experienced it.
Health is wealth.
I've not seen something as effective. It's got an adrenaline rush of its own.
And that's the best part of it.